This is at Integrated Farms, one of our farms in Nakaseke district, in the Buggala village, Kigege parish, where we've integrated coffee with the Musiizi trees and the apiculture, beekeeping. We are introducing beehives, and today we've installed about 5. So depending on the response, we will install more bees. The beauty of this is that the bees play a role of pollination services for coffee, and this would impact positively on coffee productivity, but also our target is the timber from the Musiizi trees, and this agroforestry system is also resilient to climate change impacts. So the purpose is to demonstrate best practices for climate change adaptation and sustainable environment and natural resource management. Dr. Joshua Sserufusa-Zake, the proprietor of Integrated Farms, Uganda. And there is Geoffrey Namanya, one of our lead workers managing the farm here in Nakaseke. Thank you.